welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and today we're going to be starting an unboxing video. It's been a while, and I've been in the middle of a move for quite some time of it, and I need to unbox everything, literally everything. But on this channel, we're going to be mostly focusing on the doll stuff, so I'm going to be making a series of videos, hopefully, fingers crossed, about my entire collection as I unbox them, and I decided to start with the furniture and the various props that I have in these few little bags right here. So we're just going through them little by little, and I'll try to remember to put up as many links in the description as I can for whichever of these items that I remember. And if I don't mention something, feel free to ask me. Maybe I'll remember later down the line. But basically, I'm a bit nervous. I haven't shown all of my dolls on this channel to start off with, so we're gonna have an interesting time when that time comes. But also because I'm not sure if I have enough display space for all of them. So for now, what we're gonna do is unbox these things, and I'm gonna put all the actual furniture on the table that you can see in front of me. And that's going to be where the dolls are going to be displayed. And then we're going to start, in a future videos, we're going to start looking at the dolls one by one or in little groups and seeing how we can fit them in here. And at the very last moment, we're going to be adding some of these actual props, because I don't know how many of these we will have space for. So that's something. I used to have more space for my dolls, and now I have less. I could figure out more, but I kind of want this to be the spot where they all are in this new apartment. So, some compromises need to be made. Oh, we're getting to the second bag. We have most of the actual furniture already. Just showing you some of these items that I have. I really like this one, the painting stand, but it's too short, so we're gonna have to figure out a table situation for it if we can. Some doll stands and beautiful art dolls. Extras that I got, some plates. I don't know if these are gonna be used. But who knows? Maybe some of these will be used, and maybe some of these won't, and the rest will go to storage to wait for another time. And I hopefully can display as many of them as I can fit. But this is basically the space. You're starting to see the table a little bit from under all of the other stuff, and I'm pointing out all of this other stuff that I brought as well, because these are not going to be going into videos of their own or in the other unboxing videos, so I thought I might as well include them here. So that's my beautiful, beautiful extra resin bits, and as well as on some of the healed feet and stuff. A gun, some swords. And this is an interesting piece that I have that I've never really showcased, I think. So it's one of the Fairyland accessories. I don't have any Fairyland dolls, but I do like that one. Oh no, the camera is terrible. And here I'm trying to tell you about this cat bed that I have that is great for STS dolls, but not so great for others. And here's all the furniture. I might have some more somewhere hidden away, but for now, this is it. And I have no idea how to organize these. If you have any ideas, let me know. And I suppose that's basically it for today. Bye.